Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the cybersecurity gateway on Jeep, guys. Grand Cherokee, that generation right here. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find it. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The cybersecurity gateway module, guys, fuses, relays. Let's explain what you can expect to find on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. You're going to have that one only on the facelifted version 2014 and up to 2022. You need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the left side, you have a fuse box under that cover on your Jeep Grand Cherokee next to the engine. Now, you have a layout like this one once you open the fuse box cover. Before we, guys, continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For the cybersecurity gateway module, we need to check one fuse, guys. You wonder where that fuse is located. Well, fuse numbers here do not make any sense. That's why always double check things. Take your time to make sure you're checking the right fuse so you can fix your problem. But you see, here you may have up to 3 fuses in a row, guys. This is fuse number 44, 45, 46. That fuse number 45, which is a 5 amp fuse, that's your cybersecurity gateway module fuse that you will need to check on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You don't have a relay. This fuse is known as a relay fuse that you need to check. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.